All right, meet Levi, a very good boy. He works for the St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney's Office. His only job is to make victims and witnesses feel comfortable, and he does it all with a wag of the tail. Fox 2's Catherine Hessel has the story all new at 9.
He has been called an invaluable member of the St. Louis County Prosecuting Attorney's Office, except this team member doesn't come with a briefcase, but a leash. Levi is a St. Louis County courthouse facility dog. His handler, Lisa Jones, is the program manager of the victims unit. Together, Lisa and Levi work mostly with their child sexual abuse and child abuse teams.
We specifically use him when children have to come in to meet with prosecutors, either to talk about their victimization. We've also used him to go with victims to depositions.
Levi has been with the office for 3 years, and Lisa says his presence has a way of magically melting away some of the stress that victims may have.
We ask victims to come into court or to come into our office and talk about the absolute worst experience that they've ever gone through. And so it's a daunting task, and they're talking about things that are private, that are violent, that are frightening.
Levi sits right next to the victims, curls up at their feet, and when they need a little extra support, he knows when to put his head on their lap or nudge their hand for a pet.
And we used him recently with a little girl. She got to the edge of the courtroom and she goes, "I just don't think that I can do this." And so we told her that Levi doesn't get to testify all that often in court, and he's nervous too. And it would really help Levi if she could be with him when he goes in there. And so she took a hold of his leash. She actually walked up holding his ear. It was really sweet. And she sat on the witness stand. He curled up at her feet, and she did beautifully.
Levi was donated to the courthouse by Duo Dogs.
During the course of his training, they really found that he can stay at a downstay for hours, which is what is sometimes needed when adults and children have to testify in court.
And beyond making victims and witnesses feel calm, he also roams the halls visiting staff, attorneys, and judges. Prosecuting attorney Wesley Bell says what Lisa and Levi do every day is life-changing.
They're just such tremendous advocates for the victims of crimes, and just so passionate about their work.
And I would imagine you have to be pretty good at your job to get your own coloring book. Reporting, Catherine Hessel, Fox 2 News.